I got the shampoo, conditioner, and island oil from Jamaican Mango and Lime, and I'm going to use it for this wash day. So, let's go! Hi everybody! So, right now I'm going to be using the Jamaican Mango and Lime Tingle Shampoo and Protein Conditioner, as well as their island oil to do my wash day routine. The reason that I wanted to try out this brand is simply because of the protein conditioner, and you know, with curly hair, to keep our curls tight, our coils in place, we need a little bit of protein, and I've been having a little trouble finding products that are protein based in comparison to products that are meant to add moisture to your hair. So I want to see how this Jamaican Mango and Lime works with my curls, if it does add the protein that I need. So first things first, I'm gonna wash my hair. I'll see you soon. Alright, so my hair is washed, and with the Tingle shampoo, one thing I liked about it was it did have that tingle minty after effect. It almost felt like after you brush your teeth and you have just the minty flavor in your mouth and it feels all clean. It has that. Other than that, I didn't really see a difference between any other shampoo, aside from the fact that it wasn't on the nourishing side, but it also wasn't on one of those shampoos that leave your hair dry. It's kind of like a nice in-between. So my scalp definitely does feel cleaner, but it doesn't feel as moisturized as I have been preferring when it comes to my shampoo. In regards to the conditioner, it was, for lack of a better word, it did its thing. I don't think I'll really see any difference as to if the protein really played a huge effect until my hair fully dries. The other interesting thing about this is that it is called Jamaican Mango and Lime, and the shampoo was green and the conditioner was yellow. So I don't know if that's really done purposely just to match the brand or even match the country, but it was vibrant. With that being said, my hair is still wet, and I'm actually gonna add in the island oil right now while it's wet, just because I do notice when it comes to my hair in particular, when it starts to get like maybe, well, I would say like 50% dry, it starts to frizz up more, and I'm trying to prevent that by adding in some nourishment a little bit earlier. So this island oil has both moringa seed oil and manuka honey, both of which are good for protecting your hair follicles and providing nourishment to your hair. So I'm just going to take a little bit and I'm going to finger wave it through. Okay, so I'm actually going to take a lot more than I thought. Just kind of saturate every single strand of hair. Okay, so now that my hair is fully drenched in oil, I can see that each individual curl is kind of coated and protected and clumped together, and there's also less frizz as it's drying. So I'm a little bit excited for the results. But speaking of the results, I do not have my blow dryer, so this is going to have to be air dried, which is not too bad because it is hot outside. So I'm going to let it air dry, and then I'll see you in a few minutes or hours. I'll see you soon. Bye. I'm back, and obviously I had a shirt change just because my last shirt got wet when I was washing my hair. But these are my results. You can see. So one thing I do notice after using just the Jamaican Mango and Lime, all my curls, like, I barely scrunched my hair, and all my strands on my curls are just, you know, they're more defined than usual. Also, I don't really have an excessive amount of frizz. Almost everything, even hairs that would be like flyaway strands, everything is curled. So I'm assuming that's coming from the protein. As for the oil itself, my hair is soft. It doesn't feel as dried out as it usually does if I don't put any product in. But overall, I can definitely see a difference. All of my hair is in nice little ringlet curls. There isn't a lot of frizz going on, and there's still volume. If you can look a bit closer right here, what's in the sun, you can see there's a sheen to it, and that's coming from the oil itself. Even if I shake it out like this. So yeah, almost no frizz in my hair. There's definitely volume. The curls are all defined. So when it comes to this Jamaican Mango and Lime protein shampoo, conditioner, and their island oil, I like it just because it adds that extra protein that my curls need that I usually have to put in with a gel or a mousse or a cream. This one, as you guys saw, I just washed my hair and put oil in it, and look at my curls. My curls are forming. So definitely, if you need that extra hit of protein for your curls, so far I'm recommending the Jamaican Mango and Lime protein conditioner and tingling shampoo. And if you're looking for a little bit of oil to your hair that's very lightweight and not too oily, their island oil, which I did use on my hair, was really good as well. I haven't seen my hair like this without putting product in it in a very long time, so just seeing it with just a shampoo and a conditioner and a little oil and no other heavy products, no mousse, no gel, and just like this with all my curls, I love it. I'm happy with it. But yeah, I really like Jamaican Mango and Lime. Let me know if you've tried it. Let me know if there's any products from them you recommend or your own review of it. And thank you. Bye. There's just so much noise.